Hey, what's up everybody? And today we're going to be asking ourselves, 3D printing, will it Worbla? Cue new intro. Alright, so what you're going to need is a ruler, scissors, a Sharpie, a box cutter, your 3D print, Worbla, a heat gun, and a pencil. Alright, so what I'm going to talk to you real quick about is what is 3D printing? So for those who don't know, 3D printing is a type of alloy that you can use different types of materials for and be able to construct a 3D image and make it a reality. So over here real quick, I have a quick demonstration. This is a sunglass holder, and so what I'm going to show you real quick is how heat can manipulate your 3D print. So with Worbla, you use a lot of heat, so we're going to see how this all kind of goes together. So let's take a look here. I want to make the opening for this a little bit smaller so that way it fits around my visor and doesn't fall off. And as you just saw, with the heat from the gun, it made the 3D print, which is basically plastic, in this case it's PLA, for those who are wondering, it made it malleable, so we were able to manipulate how it was shaped. So I made it less round at the top and more cinched in, so that way it has a better grip. So we're going to see how this may or may not affect us with the 3D print and the Worbla. So let's find out. Now that you have your trace piece, you're going to want to grab your Worbla and those scissors that we had earlier and just go ahead and leave probably about ½ an inch around the barrier so that way you have something to cover your sides. So go ahead and we're going to cut that out now. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our trace pieces and cover it on the 3D print using our heat gun. So now that we've covered our 3D print with the Worbla, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, I think I'm going to give this the stamp of approval.